confidence intervals in CS1. So first, let's do this question. A survey is undertaken to investigate the frequency of motor accidents at a certain intersection. It is assumed that independently for each week, the number of accidents follows a Poisson distribution with mean lambda. In a single week of observation, 2 accidents occur. Determine a 95% confidence interval for lambda using tables of probabilities for the Poisson distribution. So we have to use tables here. Let's do this part 1. First, give your heading. So this is question 1, part 1, and then we write. I'm just writing exactly for a single observation from Poisson. Alt equals to / lambda, a 95% confidence interval is, you do not need to write is lambda 1 and lambda 2 and so on. You can just write, keep on doing it. So first we have first part, alt equals to /sum, then underscore in brackets, write r equals to x, okay, and then to the power infinity. How do you write infinity? infty. Give space, see, it will go up, p of r comma lambda underscore 1, okay, and brackets close. This is equals to 0.025. okay, we'll write this. I'll just increase the font size a bit. Okay, this is our first part, and then second part is just the same thing. Do not write all of these again, just paste this, and this is becoming lambda 2, and here it will become, okay, this is r equal to 0 to x now. So first convert this to x, convert this to 0, and this is now 0.025. okay, so for x equals to 2, okay, we have a bit mistake. So for this, we have this / lambda underscore 1 is equals to / summation again r equals to 2. You don't have to write this, I am writing, you can copy from above, okay. R equals to 2 to infinity probability. See, I'll copy this now. I'll not write. Instead of writing, who will waste time on writing? Just copy this entire line only, in fact. And we'll change for r equals to 2 here also. R equals to 0 to 2. Okay. So from tables, if you see, from tables, / lambda 1 is between 0.20 and 0.30, being about 0.24. okay, and for lambda 2 is / summation underscore r equals to 0 to the power 2, okay, and then we have probability of r comma / of lambda underscore 2 is equals to 0.025. so from tables, it is between 7 and 7.25. You don't have to write this much. The way you can do and copy, you can do this. I am following examiner report currently, so I am writing this way. Okay, 95%. Therefore, the CI is 0.24, 7.23. Okay. Next part is it is saying in an observation, a period of In an observation of period of 30 weeks, an average of 2.4 accidents is recorded. Determine a 95% confidence interval for lambda using normal approximation. So we have to use normal approximation. Coming down, question 2 on a new page. Please do not forget every time. So in a new page, and we'll follow the examiner reports again. So for a sample of n with mean x backslash bar space alt equals to x minus x bar minus backslash lambda. Put these in brackets, otherwise it will not, entire thing will not go down. X bar minus this divided by sqrt of backslash of lambda backslash hat space divided by n, close, come out, space, follows normal 0, 1. Okay, where lambda hat equals to x bar. Okay, the approximate CI 95% CI is alt equals to x bar plus minus 1.96 backslash sqrt of x bar divided by n. So the square root has to be in whole. Okay, do not forget this. X bar divided by n. I'll just change this. I gave a space, that is why it is not coming. sqrt of x bar divided by n. Okay, so now the entire thing is there. N equals to 30, x bar is equals to 2.4, therefore 95% CI is 2.4 plus minus 1.96. Copying this only this part again so that I don't have to write this again. 2.4 and we have 30. Okay, so this is come out to the square. So this is equals to 2.4 plus minus 0.55, which is equals to 1.85 comma 2.95 is my interval. Okay, this is part, oh, we were not in question 2, we were in part 2. So going back, sorry, and then part 3 of this question says comment on your answers in part 1 and 2 above. So CI in 2 is much narrower to having more data. Okay, due to having more data. The theory part again not writing. Next question. Next again this we are using past year questions. So an insurance company claims 2090 insurance policies in a year. On a portfolio of 900 policies, only one claim can be made on a policy in a year. The company assumes that all policies are independent of each other. Determine a 90% confidence interval for the proportion of policies on which a claim is made in a year. So again, let's do this. Next question. Question 2. So number of claims follows binomial 900 comma p. This has been given to us. alt equals to p backslash hat is equals to 290 divide. You can see, you can set your equation settings from here so that it is always left. Set it as default and press OK. Now it will not change every time it is coming in my way. So it is equals to 0.322. Okay. Now alt equals to p backslash hat follows normal p comma p into 1 minus p divided by n approximately. This is the formula which we use. Therefore the CI is equals to p hat plus minus 1.6449, which is RZ, into backslash SQRT of, put brackets, p hat into 1 minus p hat brackets close divided by n. Again the root did not come. Just instead of writing again, I'll just put a square root inside only. That is easier to work. So therefore 0.322 plus minus 1.6449 into backslash of SQRT of 0.322 into 1 minus 0.322 divided by 900. Okay, which is equals to 0.296 comma 0.348. These are my confidence interval. And next is question 3 we'll do. Okay, again same papers. Question 5, a random sample of 30 observation is drawn from a normal distribution with unknown variance. Write an expression for the distribution of S, the population standard deviation, and the sample standard deviation of S is 7.5. Calculate a 95% confidence interval. So we'll do this from here. First, we know that the equation for this is direct, so no hard and fast rule. Just S square divided by backslash sigma square. This completes, and this follows chi square underscore n minus 1. Okay, this follows chi square n minus 1. And for question part 2, which is already appeared, we have alt equals to backslash chi square underscore n minus, just put n, chi square underscore in brackets n minus 1, please, chi square n minus 1, or okay, they have written the values, sorry, so we'll just come. So the values are 0.025 comma 29. So these are the values. On solving this, we are getting 45.72 chi square. So I'll just come chi square underscore n minus 1. Oh, I'm making this mistake. The values are written 0.975 comma 29. So this is equal to 16.05. This is equal to 16.05, and then we'll come variance of CI is equals to in brackets n minus 1 s square divided by, I am not writing this again since it's written here, copy this and paste it, comma, again n minus 1 s square divided by, just copy this and paste this, saves time, brackets closed, which is equals to, brackets open, 29 into 7.5 square divided by 45.72, comma, 29 into 7.5 square divided by 16.05, and brackets close. Okay, so next line, this is equals to 35.679 comma 101.64. This is my 95, this is my CI for variance, so therefore CI for S is just square root of this. I'm not showing the square root, you can directly show it in calculator and do it. Some steps can be skipped, they have said it. Okay, so this is also done. Thank you.